Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen once again. I'm going to be making a quick video. Okay, we just bought the Christmas meat from the farm and look at how fresh it is. This is fresh beef, fresh meat from the farm. Okay, look at the beef, fresh, everything is fresh. Look at it, fresh. So when you cook with this kind of beef, you will have the real taste of the meat. Okay, look at it. You just got it from the farm. You can go there. When you go there, you pick anything that you want and then you store it. I'm going to be showing you how we store it. We clean it, we store it in the freezer. We are going to store it in the freezer. Don't put it in the fridge, because when you put any meat in the fridge, it will lose its natural taste. Look at this, beautiful. So this is what we got from the farm. And one thing good about buying your meat from the farm, we do it once in a while, especially during the Christmas, is that you have a little bit of everything. This is the stomach, the tripe. We are going to wash it thoroughly before putting it in the Ziploc bag. This one is a goat head. Okay, you have a little bit of anything you want to buy, you have it. So we have our hen. This is small hen, but it is very, very tasty. When you use it for your stew, it is very, very tasty. So look at the hen. Look at the chicken head. Look at the feet. This is fresh. It's not in the fridge, so it still retains its natural taste. And when you use this kind of meat to cook, it will taste very good. So here we have our goat meat. Look at beautiful goat meat. Look at it, fresh. Okay, it's fresh. We are going to wash everything and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer for as long as you want it, as long as it lasts. Okay, but not in the fridge. We are going to cut some into stew size. Look at the beautiful goat meat. So now let's wash and put them in the bag. So we are gonna wash all the meat separately and then put it in bags. We wash it thoroughly. Look at the chicken. Something like this. Okay, see that? You look up for it. Look at it. Some of the hairs, the feathers. See that? See that? Make sure you remove everything. The bones has the bone marrow, and it makes the stock very tasty. Look at how big it is. We are going to cut it in smaller sizes. Goat meat. So I'm washing them properly. Okay. So like this goat meat, how big? Look at how big the goat meat is. So we are going to cut them into two. Okay. How I wash and store my meat in the freezer, and it lasts very long. And again, it's cheaper this way. Okay, when you buy it from the farm, it is cheaper. You can use a Ziploc of this plastic bag. Okay, I will not be able to do everything in this video. It will take hours. So but this is how I do it. I will see you once again in my next video. I wish you a blessed Christmas. Bye. The neck, the flesh, everything.